Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
Good morning, besties. Oh wait, good afternoon, besties. It's 12:56. I woke up about an hour ago. I ate breakfast, brushed my teeth and stuff. Now I'm gonna tackle this hair. Do y'all see this? I'm about to attempt to do some two-strand twists, and I got the products we're gonna be using. This edge control that was sent to me by Dola Hair, and then I don't know if you watched my last vlog. You know this is the what's it called? It's the mousse I bought from Marshall's. So yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all along. I'm gonna show y'all about when my hair is halfway done. See y'all in about, it's 12:56, 12:57. I'll see y'all around like 1:30, hopefully 1:30, 2 o'clock. Hey y'all, so the time is currently 7:12, and I've been taking breaks. Like this is how it's coming out so far. I don't know what style I'm gonna do to it when it's fully done, but that's not what you got left. This little piece up here. But yeah, taking breaks. I'll do like a row, 2 rows, and then I'll be on TikTok or in the room watching TV or just doing something other than doing my hair. But we on the roll, and hopefully I can finish before 10 o'clock. But right now I'm taking a break. But yeah, I'll see y'all when it's done. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna style it some type of way tomorrow, but tonight I'm gonna finish homework. I didn't do my edges or nothing. I just literally just finished and blow dried it, put some oil on it. And yeah. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow.
They don't give a fuck about them.
Hair trying to do it. Yeah, so this is the fit. I mean, it's the hair. It's the fit. Me and Bae putting on run a few errands. I'm gonna try to bring y'all with me, y'all. The forehead is forehead. Please, not too much. But yeah, I'ma see y'all.
You're not a nothing girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No, right. Yeah. Pretty ass, billing ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up in around me, nigga, ain't a plan, but I'm coming for the kitty, got my folk got it down. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and I'm running for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time with a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers.
So we're at Lowe's to get my mama something for her birthday. What? Damn, that is flying. I don't know if I want to record in here. Hey y'all, we back. So now I left my baby. So sad I left my baby. But a few things on the agenda. We gotta go to 7 Brew. We gotta go to Burlington to the mailbox. Chili's for my sister, and then I want China Walk. We're gonna start off with 7 Brew because 7 Brew and Burlington are right in the same area, but I just want to drink my drink in Burlington, if that makes sense. They be blasting music, so if they blasting music, I'm not recording. If they aren't blasting music, then I'm recording. So yeah, I'll see y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all the drink after.
Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm done.
Okay, hey y'all. So we got the drink. It's trying to wait for it. Okay, we got the drink. I don't know. I got something she recommended. She said it has coconut, marshmallow, and caramel, I think. Let me see. It doesn't say it on the side, but it's coconut, marshmallow, and something else. It's a shake. We about to try it real quick before I go into Burlington. And yeah, hold up. Hopefully it's good, because I was just like, it was free. Now it was between this one or like another one, and she recommended this, so I was like, you know, we're gonna try it. It kind of reminds me of like a It's not nasty. The coconut is pretty like strong. You can taste it as soon as you drink it, but it's not a nasty taste of coconut. Like personally, I don't like coconut water, but like Italian iced coconut, I love it. Coconut in like certain drinks, I can drink it, but it's pretty good. It's mid. It's like I give it like a 5 or 6. It's nothing extravagant, but it is good. I give it a 6. Okay, I give it a 7 actually. I give it a 7 just because I feel like 6 is a little low. But it's not nasty. It's just, it's not enough flavor. Like the marshmallow, I can't taste at all. I can definitely taste the coconut. I can taste the caramel a little bit. But yeah, so let's go into Burlington. Spooky butts.
Forget niggas, you owe me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Push it on a feeling like a button. Can't put time for it. Still getting ready in a function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now.
Like the beat, hey, who you beat? That's how peace. Gotta drop into this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She say, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. Fuck that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with my key levels. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I her to call her muscle. We get nasty, I'm retarded. She know a nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with big asses. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting up like last week. Tell me where have you been? You're not a nothing girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold right. No, right.
Yeah, should I get this one or this one? They put it on a registry, but one is just like cute and blue, but this one has a thermometer and a thermometer. This one doesn't have a thermometer. See, this one has 6, but this one just seems a little bit more baby safe a little bit. I think I'm gonna go with this one. What y'all thinking? Talk about them. I had to use my camera flashlight because the lights from the car is not bright enough. So we're out of Burlington. We spent like $80. I can't remember the total. I got all my little nephews some stuff. I love baby so much. Like, now we're about to go to Chili's, and I might run in Marshall's. No, I might wear a TJ Maxx while I'm there to see if I can find a baby warmer. I meant a bottle warmer. If not, then I'm done with all my gifts because your girl spent a good little amount. But anything for the babies, anything for the kids. Okay, I love the kids, I love the babies. They run me dry every time, and it's okay. I'm so tired, but we're gonna make it through the rest of the day. So yeah, love y'all, see y'all. We here. We about to hop out and see what this thing time out. I'm only in here for one thing. If y'all see me grab anything else, you say put that down. Put it down right now. Or I'm a 3-piece you. No, seriously, y'all got a 3-piece and you to put it down because I have a really bad habit of picking stuff up I don't need. So, one thing, we don't have it. We out, go pick up the food. Go pick up my food and then go home. Alright? Let's get it. Okay, y'all, don't beat me up. They didn't have what I needed, but this is too cute. It's my brother's child, so like, yeah, just like your dad. But tiny, it's so cute. Okay, so yeah, now we're about to head out. Yes, I'm gonna place a takeout order. I get your broccoli and chicken and garlic sauce, a small. Does that come with rice already? Okay, white rice. Okay, great. And then can I 2 shrimp egg rolls? That'll be all. Can I have a total, please, and about an estimated time? All right, thanks. Bye.
Babe, what are we gonna do?
Be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what? You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need.
Okay, hey besties, I'm finally home. I'm about to eat, find something to watch, and I'm gonna go ahead and close out here. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye besties.